Bitcoin to $9,000. Yes, and Ethereum's price has fell to below $700. That is trading right now on the Grayscale Bitcoin and Ethereum Trust. Now, why is this important? And if you do not know what the Grayscale Bitcoin and Ethereum Trust are, this is very, very important. Now, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, this right here, holds about $10.5 billion worth of Bitcoin under their fund. And this is important because this is the world's biggest cryptocurrency fund, and it has hit a record of a 42% discount to value of Bitcoin that it holds. So right now, as you can tell, this is a Grayscale Bitcoin Trust or premium, and it used to be trading at a premium, so you actually had to pay more to buy this Grayscale Bitcoin Trust fund, but now you can get it at a 45% discount as I'm recording this video. So right now, that basically means that Bitcoin, instead of trading for about $16,500 onto the open market, you can quite literally buy Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust for about $9,000 today. So a lot of institutional investors, people with big money, instead of buying Bitcoin for $16,500, they'll just go buy it from Grayscale Bitcoin and the trust that they have, because it is safe as well, and they can buy it for about $9,000. So that is basically what the powerful, the elite, the people with the money, that is how much they are valuing Bitcoin today, at around $9,000 according to this article right here. And Ethereum's Grayscale Trust as well is trading at around $700. So this is a Grayscale Ethereum Trust, and they have about $3.7 billion of assets under management, and they basically are trading at a big discount as well. Right now it's at a 45% discount basically. So just like Bitcoin, instead of paying $16,500 for Bitcoin right now on the open market, you can buy Bitcoin for $9,000. Instead of paying $1,200 for Ethereum right now on Coinbase or Kraken or Binance, whatever major exchange, you can buy Ethereum directly from Grayscale for about $700. So that is what the people with the money are doing. They're going to Grayscale and the Ethereum and Bitcoin Trust, and they're just buying it directly from them. So the crypto winter is coming, and it is starting right now. And I believe that the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum will come down even more, because again, if the people with the big money are valuing Bitcoin at around $9,000 and Ethereum at $700, well, guess what? That means we have a long ways to go down before we find the bottom. Now, I'm not saying this to scare you. I'm not selling. I'm just telling you, you need to prepare yourself. And not many people are speaking about this Grayscale, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Trust, because now everyone's focused on FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried and what's happening with them. But you need to pay attention also to other things that could pull the price of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency down, and this is exactly one of them. So this is very important. And also, real quick, make sure you subscribe, make sure you join us, because we speak about cryptocurrency every single day. So subscribe, it takes 1 second, join us, and let's keep going, because this is very important. So right now, again, the FTX collapse is the point, is this the topic of everyone. Everyone is speaking about FTX and what's happening with Sam Bankman-Fried, but also you must pay attention to the Grayscale Bitcoin and Ethereum Trust, because they hit record low discounts. Literally, right now, people are more bearish than ever. This is basically what this tells you, that people are more bearish than ever before. And yes, that could be a good buying opportunity, but it's going to take some time for the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust to start heading back to positive or even 0% discount, okay? Because it took about a year for the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust to go all the way down here. So it's going to take some time for it to go back up. And if we take a look at the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, it actually used to trade at around a 70-80% premium in 2018, okay? But then it started going down. So it's going to take some time for it to consolidate, level up, and then start going up again. So that is something you need to pay attention to. And right now, I know Ethereum is down a lot since the beginning of the year. Ethereum literally has gone down from about $4,000 all the way down to $1,200, but that does not mean we cannot go lower, because if we take a look at Ethereum, where it was a few years ago, literally during the 2020 COVID crash, if we zoom all the way in here, as you can tell right now, we're all the way up here at $1,200. We literally hit about $100. Yes, $100 about 2.5 years ago. So we're basically up 12x in just a matter, in less than 3 years, we're up 12x, which is very, very good return. So to me, that tells me that yes, we can go down a little bit more, and that would be normal, okay? Because remember, Ethereum was literally less than $100 actually in 2018, and then it basically went to $100 again in 2019 and then 2020, okay? So $100 is where Ethereum was a few years ago. So we could go down a little bit more for Ethereum. And then also, if we take a look at Bitcoin, okay, right now it's sitting at around 16,700 as I'm recording this video. But if we zoom in to Bitcoin, where it was a few years ago, let's try to zoom in right here. As you can tell, right now we're all the way up here. But about 2.5 years ago, less than 3 years ago, we were sitting at around $5,000. So that's already a 3x. Yes, it's a little bit less than what Ethereum has done, because Ethereum's up about 12x, Bitcoin's up about 3x in about 3 years, which is still really good. That means basically you would have made 100% gain year over year for Bitcoin if you just held for about 2.5 years. So that is still really, really good returns. And that tells me that yes, we can go down a little bit more, and that would be normal, because again, we hit about $5,000 and we can hit a little bit lower than 16,000. We can head towards $10,000. So you need to pay attention to this Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, because again, it is the world's largest, literally the world's largest, okay? And that is based in fact, okay? There is no other Bitcoin or cryptocurrency fund that is bigger than the Grayscale. And the fact that it's trading at a 42% discount, actually 45% discount as I'm recording this video, is extremely, extremely important, and you need to pay attention to that. And again, they also have an Ethereum Trust, and it's trading at a almost 45% discount as well. So that means the people with the money, instead of paying $1,200 for Ethereum, they can literally buy it from Grayscale right now for $700. That's what that means. So it tells me that basically it could push the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum down to around those levels. I truly believe that we will see the bottom for Bitcoin when we reach around $10,000. Now, I do not think we will go below 10,000. I think a lot of people, once we head towards $10,000, a lot of people will be waiting for a $7,000 Bitcoin or an $8,000 Bitcoin. And instead of buying Bitcoin at 10, 11, 12,000, they'll keep waiting, and then Bitcoin's going to start bouncing back up, and then we will go towards all-time highs again. I truly believe that, but I will keep you all updated every single day. That's why you want to subscribe, because if anything changes, I will let you know right away. So that's why you want to join us, and that is why Ethereum can go to $700 and Bitcoin can also reach around $9,000.